This programmer named Satoshi Nakamoto developed a digital form of money, took advantage of cryptography, networking, and semiconductors, and created what we'll call digital gold. He wanted to create a copy of gold, but he wanted to put it in cyberspace. He wanted to make it possible to move it at the speed of light, to provide monetary sovereignty as a reaction to the great financial crisis back at the end of the last decade, when most of the population lost trust in the money or the currencies they had in banks. How do you make gold better? You make it digital, so I can send it from New York to Tokyo in a few minutes. You make it capped. It's impossible to make any more. There's only 21 million Bitcoins. 21 million forever. You can take it with you. Nobody can take it away from you. And you can put it on a computer, which means you can program it at the speed that the computer thinks. And that made it the ideal money for the digital age.
A lot of people say, all right, if I want to invest a little money in Bitcoin, I don't know where that goes, but it does go somewhere. You're saying it's actually more secure and safer than actually putting it into a bank because it's yours and no one could ever take that from you. Is that right?
The real appeal of Bitcoin is people don't want to invest or risk their money. They want to save their money. So Bitcoiners would say, we're not investing, we're saving. It's a savings technology. What if you just wanted to take your life savings and put it into a bank in cyberspace that promises to never freeze your funds, that isn't run by humans, it's run by incorruptible software, and you're going to go to sleep for a decade, right? If you're Rip Van Winkle, what can I buy that 30 years from now will be more valuable, that will hold its value? But the real breakthrough, the aha, is if I can send $1 million from me to you without an intermediary. We want to know that we control it, not our bank, not our government, not the mayor, not the CEO of the company. When I first started looking for digital gold, I saw there were 10,000 different crypto networks. And I said, what's the winner? What's the safe one? What's the secure choice? And we sifted through and we said, well, the largest, most valuable one appears to be Bitcoin. Has it been copied? Can it be copied? Well, it had been copied 10,000 times and they had all failed. Bitcoin, it was the winner. It attracted all the smart capital. Satoshi launched Bitcoin, disappeared from history forever, disclaimed any beneficial ownership and said, I don't control it, I don't own it. It is my gift. It is sovereign money. Bitcoin is the safest bank.